Birthday party. Hey David, I heard your birthday is just around the corner. Are you planning on having a celebration?
Hi Emily. Yes, I'm really excited. I'm actually thinking of hosting a surprise birthday party at a local park. It's been a while since I've had a surprise party, and I think it'll be a fun and unexpected way to celebrate.
That sounds like a fantastic idea. Surprises always add an extra element of excitement. Have you decided on any specific theme or decorations for the party?
I haven't settled on a theme yet, but I'm leaning towards a nature-inspired party. I want to create a cozy and rustic atmosphere with decorations like fairy lights, floral arrangements, and some handmade crafts.
Oh, I love the idea of a nature-themed party. It'll be so refreshing and relaxing to celebrate surrounded by beautiful greenery. Have you thought about the food and refreshments?
I haven't finalized the menu yet, but I'm considering having a picnic-style feast with a variety of finger foods, sandwiches, and refreshing drinks. I want everyone to enjoy the outdoor setting and have a relaxed dining experience.
That sounds delicious. A picnic-style feast will definitely add to the casual and joyful vibe of the party. Will there be any special activities or surprises planned for the guests?
Absolutely. I'm planning to organize some outdoor games and activities like sack races, tug-of-war, and even a scavenger hunt. It'll be a great way for everyone to bond and have fun. And, of course, there will be a surprise birthday cake waiting for me at the end.
That sounds like a lot of fun. The outdoor games will surely bring out the inner child in all of us. I'm sure everyone will be excited to participate. Have you decided on the number of guests you'll invite?
I'm keeping it relatively small and intimate, inviting around 15 to 20 close friends and family members. I want to ensure that I can spend quality time with each of them and create lasting memories together.
That's a perfect number for an intimate gathering. It's always nice to have meaningful conversations and make connections with loved ones. Do you have any preferences or hints for the gifts you'd like to receive?
Honestly, I'm not expecting anything specific. I always appreciate heartfelt gestures and surprises from my loved ones. It's the thought that counts, and their presence at the celebration is the best gift I could ask for.
That's a wonderful sentiment, David. I'm sure your loved ones will come up with thoughtful surprises for you. Is there anything else you're planning for your birthday party?
Well, I'm also thinking of setting up a photo booth area with props and costumes related to nature. It'll be a fun way for everyone to capture memories and create their own personalized photo souvenirs.
That's a brilliant idea. People love taking photos, and having a photo booth with nature-themed props will add an extra element of fun and creativity to the celebration. When is your birthday, by the way?
My birthday is in a week, so I still have some time to finalize the details and keep the surprise a secret. I can't wait to see the look on everyone's faces when they arrive at the park.
Well, I'm looking forward to it too. I'm sure your surprise birthday party will be a memorable and joyful occasion, David.
Thank you, Emily. I'm really excited and grateful to have wonderful friends like you to celebrate with. It's going to be a fantastic day.
You're welcome, David. It's my pleasure to be a part of your special.
For more English learning lessons, subscribe to English Express YouTube channel.